have this huge ass package by Sunday Riley. It smells very cheap. It reminds me of expired old lipsticks. Hi guys, this is Lishabata and welcome to my channel. As you can tell, we have lots and lots of PR goodies to unbox. I'm kind of tired. It's actually 3 a.m. while I'm filming. I've shot 2 more YouTube videos, but I really wanted to unbox all these PR packages. So let's get started. Okay, so first up we have this PR package by Pixi Beauty. I received this a few months ago. So I know, you must be seeing a lot of boxes and you must be thinking, wow, what a great life. You get so many packages every day. Aisa nahi hai. This has been accumulated over a period of 3 to 4 months at least. So some of these packages are super old, like this one by Pixi Beauty. So they sent across the Hydrating Milk Collection. This is apparently really good for dry to normal skin type. So it's basically a 6-step skincare routine. So they've sent across the makeup remover, the milky cleanser, the milky peel. Then on the other side, we have the milky tonic, the milky serum and the milky lotion. Now, I have super dry skin, so receiving this in the mail made me really happy. Plus, I really enjoy Pixi products. Next package is by Simply Nam. Now, this is a brand by Namrata Soni, the famous Bollywood makeup artist. So, she sent across a makeup pouch to me, and the best thing is, it feels like leather, but it is completely vegan and looks so luxurious. There are a couple of shades available in this. I'm not sure which ones though, but beige was one of them. And it has a magnetic clasp inside. I really like this pouch and I think this will be very handy when I travel. Sorry, whenever I get to travel, if I ever get to travel, I don't know who would it's just not dying down. So yeah, let's see when do I get to travel next. Now I always wanted like a microfiber makeup removal towel and I'm so glad I finally have one. I'm really excited to give it a try. Let me show you what it looks like from inside. So it is super soft, like super soft, and yeah, I cannot wait to use it. In fact, I'm gonna use it today to remove my makeup. Now the next thing in the package is the 3-layered intense sheet mask. So this kind of did not make sense to me. Now the entire brand ethos is that it's vegan, cruelty free, sustainable. Then why would you like come out with a sheet mask which has 3 sheets and you only end up using one? So basically it has an outer layer and inner layer, but you end up using only the middle layer. So you just discard the other 2 layers. Seems like a lot of unnecessary wastage. Like I don't see how that adds to the product. That's just my take on it. Let me know if you have a differing opinion. I would love to hear what you guys think. Next we have the super cool PR box by Emag. I'm probably just butchering the brand's name. It's a new beauty brand and I have no idea किसने भेजा, कौन सी PR agency ने भेजा है. This just like randomly came to my house. So as you can see, they've sent across a compact foundation along with lipsticks and a few liners. And the products look really promising. In fact, the lipstick shades are gorgeous. But I was thinking I might put these products in a giveaway because they look very interesting. So comment down below and let me know if you would like to see this in a giveaway. Then we have flip-flops by this brand called Chups. First of all, how cool is the packaging? I don't know if they just sent this across in PR or they actually deliver their products in this, because if they actually deliver flip-flops in this tin kind of a thing, then this is super cool. I really appreciate it because, I can use it in several ways. And by the way, Chups makes very quirky and really cool flip-flops. I've been using one of their pairs for the past couple of months and they're super comfortable. So let me show you this one, and this is one of my favorite pairs. So as you can see, it has the Nazar Battu on it and I kind of do believe in evil eyes. So I was really happy to get this, and also the colors are so bright and vibrant. This is the other pair that they sent me. And this is a plain yellow one with the black straps, but this is super comfortable. Like the material on this is much softer than the other one. They also sent me a third pair, a picture of which I will be putting here. I'm actually currently using it and I'm really impressed with the quality. So if you're looking for like cool and funky flip-flops, you can check them out. Moving on, we have the Lakme Absolute Lip Crayon. So this was also sent to me in PR. I actually had a collaboration with Lakme for Instagram and they sent across the entire range to me. I've been loving these lip crayons. In fact, I was wearing the nude in the morning and the quality is so good. In fact, I'll be doing like a proper swatch and review video on it. it. I'm not sure if it's already gone up, so stay tuned for that. And to make sure you get a notification when that video goes live, please subscribe to my channel. And if you've already subscribed, then make sure you've pressed the bell icon as well, because if you don't press the bell icon, you will not receive a notification whenever like a new video of mine comes up. So if you like my content, तो please यार bell icon दबा दो ना. Then we have this huge ass package by Sunday Riley. So Sunday Riley is now available on Sephora. I have always wanted to try out this brand, and their products are so expensive. कि कौन US से shipping करवाता and customs pay करता. First we have the Sunday Riley Ceramic Slip Cleanser. Then we have the popular CEO range. This is the 15% vitamin C serum. I'm so excited to give this a try. Next we have the Sunday Riley Good Jeans. Now this is such a popular product, but just look at the packaging. It's so luxurious and I cannot wait to start using this. Next we have the CEO Vitamin C plus Turmeric Facial Oil. And lastly we have the CEO Vitamin C Hydration Cream. I'm so excited to use this range. Then they also sent like a cute cup and a saucer kind of a thing, because we were supposed to have this breakfast launch, but wo toot gaya tha in transit, so I have gotten rid of it. And then we have a gorgeous white robe which says Sunday Riley. I feel so good. I cannot wait to wear it. And then we have my most favorite package out of the lot. This is by Suva Beauty, and this was such a nice surprise. I had no clue that Suva Beauty was officially launching on Nykaa, and little did I know they'd actually be sending across a package to me. So inside the box there was a lot of holographic confetti and this gorgeous holographic pouch. You can't really tell on camera, but this is so pretty. And you know, I'm the kind of person who really appreciates the small detailing, because Suva Beauty is known for their bright and vivid colors. They've made sure that the PR package showcases that too, and I really like that. So inside the pouch we have the Suva Beauty UV Brights Hydrofix liners. So these are in fact really neon bright and black light activated or UV light activated. So basically they glow in the dark. Like how cool is that? I have reviewed these and that video is probably gone live, so I will be linking it in the description box below. Then we have a couple more hydro liners. So this is the Doodle Dee Dough. This has a neon orange and a neon pink in it, and then the other one is Doodle. This has a matte black and a matte white. Both are amazing quality. I have been using them. And they also sent across the Suva Beauty brush. So yeah, I was very happy to receive this product. And you know, pata kya hota, like when you keep receiving PR or when you constantly keep getting, you know, gifts or products for the brands, after a while, I mean, you are still grateful, but somehow it becomes a routine, right? So आजकल you know जब भी products आते हैं मेरे घर में, I do feel very happy, I feel really grateful, but you know, like it's like a normal thing now. But when I received this box, because it was a surprise maybe, because I really wanted to try out this brand, मैं इतना ज़्यादा खुश हो गई थी कि like literally woke up, I saw this bright neon pink box on my dining table and I was like, oh my god, like मेरा पूरा दिन बन गया था. So yeah, I felt really grateful on receiving this. Next is another favorite package, and a package that means a lot to me. So this was sent to me by Instagram, and I don't know, it just makes me so happy whenever Instagram sends across a PR package to me. So inside there is a really cool hat or a cap. Let me wear it and show it to you guys. Oh my god, my hair is pinned up today. How cool do I look? I feel like I'm gonna wear this everywhere now and rep Instagram no matter where I go. In fact, Instagram had sent another package to me a few months ago, or was it last year, which had a tee which said born on Instagram, and I literally wear it everywhere. There was a zipper as well, which I use all the time. Then they also sent across a sash which says July 2021, Born on Instagram. So basically, Born on Instagram is a program for creators. They basically help you with reels. They give you the know-how. You also are the first people to get to know about any of the new launches or updates in the app. And if you are a content creator, I highly recommend you sign up with the program. I'm sure they will be opening, registrations for season 3 soon. And lastly, we have this photo frame which says you succeeded. We are delighted to inform you that you have successfully completed the program. Next, I have a couple of boxes by Benefit. So I got like a bunch of foundations. This is the Hello Happy Powder Foundation. This is too dark for me. Then we have the angled brow brush and spoolie. I was really wanting this because my current one is just not doing the job, and I've heard amazing things about this one. They also sent across the Kabrow gel. Then we have the roller lash mascara. We also have a mini size of the Bad Girl Bang mascara, followed by the Benefit blush in the shade Georgia. And then in the other box we have the Boeing concealer, and this is also too dark for me. I actually went by the swatches online, and since most of the swatches were on pale white skin, I just felt like this would be a good match for me, but it's not. It's too dark. Then we have the Flawless Brightening Foundation in the shade 5. This is also too dark for me, and this upsets me a lot because I have never tried base products by Benefit, so I was so excited. That's why I was waiting for these products for such a long time, because I wanted to test out Benefit products, but the shades are just not a match. I hate online swatches. Then I also got the Benefit Hoola bronzer in the shade Toasted, which is also way too dark. Then we have another foundation which is obviously not going to suit me. It's the Soft Blur foundation in the shade 7. Guys, if you plan on buying any base products by Benefit, just go to a Sephora. And we also have the Professional Hydrating Primer in a small travel size. I also received a couple of products by Blur. Now this was my first time trying out their products. So they sent me the Call Me Daddy Nude collection. It's a matte liquid lipstick range, and I have thoughts on it. So the first time I used it, it felt so strong that I actually was really uncomfortable wearing it. It smells very cheap. It reminds me of expired old Lakme lipsticks. The ones that our moms used to use and वो बिल्कुल throw out नहीं करते हैं. It just smells like that, and I was not a fan. And also the pigmentation isn't that great. It's very patchy and it's just too drying, so I didn't really like these products. I kind of feel bad saying it because it's a made in India brand, it's a smaller brand, but that does not justify the cons that this product has. It was just something I would definitely not purchase, and I wouldn't want my audience either to waste their money. So yeah. Then my favorite brand, Nakrewali, also sent across something. So basically they sent across this gorgeous pair of earrings. They're like my one-stop shop for everything boho. Just look how pretty this is. So unique and summery, and it complements like a lot of outfits. Then we have this super cute package by Vaseline. They sent like an ice cream truck. How cool this is. So basically they sent this across for the latest launch, which is the Ice Cool Hydration Lotion along with along with the Body Ice Cream Gel Creme. This is what the products look like, and I absolutely love the PR box. My nephew is gonna have a lot of fun with it. Next we have this gorgeous box by Colorbar. I actually received this at one of the events when they launched. Basically, you can customize these. You can choose your palette, whatever design you like, and you can get eyeshadows in it, the blusher, the highlighter duo, anything, whatever you like. And they're available in gorgeous 12 designs. Trust me, I had a very hard time picking up only 5, and 2 of you will get to win this in my next giveaway. तो उसके लिए make sure you subscribe. आप देख लो मैं कितना plug in कर रही हूँ आज अपना channel, but yeah, that's my job. That's what YouTubers do. So yeah, please make sure you follow me on YouTube and my Instagram in case you want to win any of these gorgeous products. Of the Colorbar Sexy Kiss Proof lip colors. I actually did test these out, and I have filmed a swatch and a review on it. I don't really recommend this range. I did not have a very good experience. To know more, I will be linking it in the description box if it has gone live. So yeah, if you're planning on purchasing this, I highly recommend you check out my review once. Next, we have a few products by Bare Body. So first, we have their teeth powder. So this basically whitens teeth, freshens breath, and fights plague. So this is basically a teeth whitening powder, and you use it like a toothpaste. Next, they sent across an under eye gel. I also have a collagen face serum in the box along with, oh my, wow, this, okay. They also sent across underarm cream. Like, how weird is that? So this apparently evens out the skin tone, exfoliates and smoothens. But I don't want to apply a cream on my armpits. That's just going to make me feel so sweaty and stuffy. Like, I'm not too sure about this. And then they also sent this wooden toothbrush to me. I also received a package by Requel. Let me show you what all they sent me. They sent me their vitamin C face toner. I'm getting a lot of vitamin C products. Then we have the Fruit AHA face wash. Now Requel is a brand that I've always been intrigued by. I have used their conditioner in the past and I really liked it. I also have the Shea Zinc tinted sunscreen. Now Requel sunscreens are trending on social media. Everyone's raving about it, so I really cannot wait to test them out. We also have the Skin Radiance cream, and lastly we have the Babaso Anti-Frizz conditioner. They also sent me the Murmuru one, which I'm currently using and I really like it. It has a very nice creamy slip and my hair does feel moisturized every time I use it. I also recently received the Wishful Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub. This was actually sent by Nykaa. They actually had an offer running on it and they sent it across to me to try out and I really liked it. I also received a few products by Sugandha. Now this time around I've actually received a lot of skincare products and a lot of brands I really wanted to try. So first we have the 5% lactic acid serum. Next we have the 5% niacinamide serum. And lastly, we have the BHA exfoliating serum. This is the one that I'm currently using and my skin has never looked better. It exfoliates my skin really well. My whiteheads and blackheads have reduced dramatically. Before this, I was using the glycolic acid. I had been using that for more than a year and I just felt like, my skin had gotten used to it. I also did not want to increase the concentration of the glycolic acid. I'm really concerned about damaging my skin barrier. So I switched to a BHA and trust me, this has done wonders for my skin. I also received this pouch by Kiro Beauty. So inside we have the eyeshadow stick. Oh my god, I already have swatches going on. But they sent this beautiful pearlescent gold eyeshadow. Very, very flattering. Then they also sent across this brown eyeliner. Very beautiful brown color and it's so creamy and intense. They also sent across a lipstick and I really like the packaging. It's pretty unique and cool and they sent across this beautiful berry tone shade. I'm not going to swatch it because I'm probably going to put this up in a giveaway. Then I also received a perfume by La Florentine. Why do I even bother? तो ये निकल नहीं रहा है तो ऐसे दिखा देती हूँ. So basically they sent across a rose gold packaging wala perfume to me. Smells quite floral, smells quite nice. Then we have this cute mini suede bag by MAC and inside we have the MAC in Extreme Dimension Kajal eyeliner. I've been seeing a lot of people create content with this. It's a very tiny pencil and okay, it is super creamy, super smooth, very black. I like it. I also really like the fun fuchsia pink packaging that they have going on. It's quite different from the usual MAC packaging, isn't it? Also received this cute little package by Maybelline. It contains all their mini sized products. So basically you can get the foundations and the sensational liquid mattes in these pouches and they're pretty affordable. They cost only ₹60. I think this is really nice if you want to experiment with like a new lip color and for instance say you want to buy a red lip color but you don't wear it often, so you can just buy like the travel sample size. And also with foundations at times it's so tricky getting your right shade, especially when you're at the showroom due to the artificial lighting. So maybe you can buy like a couple of pouches and see what suits you, and if not that you can also buy them for travel because I hate traveling with glass bottles. They almost always end up breaking or they just increase the weight of my luggage. I am a heavy packer, so every gram counts, okay? So yeah, I think this is pretty cool and pretty affordable and pretty unique. And with that, we have finally managed to unbox most of the products that I had. So yes, if you enjoyed watching this video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will catch you guys the next time. Bye!